Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding why your phone number shows as unknown to others. Many issues stem from simple formatting or settings on the device and SIM. For example, missing country code or incorrect number format often causes the display to fail. Other causes include carrier routing or CNAM provisioning problems that block your number from showing. Privacy settings or third-party calling apps can intentionally mask your outgoing caller ID too. Identify the likely cause before proceeding with targeted fixes and tests. Next, verify device and account settings to restore proper caller ID display. Open phone or settings and confirm outgoing caller ID is enabled for voice calls. Save your number in your contact as a full international format like +1 555 123 4567. Disable any privacy options or third-party dialer apps that block caller ID on outbound calls. Update carrier settings and firmware on the device, then restart the phone to apply changes. If device fixes fail, escalate the issue to your mobile carrier for troubleshooting. Ask the carrier to check CNAM provisioning and outbound call routing for your account. Request that they reprovision your number and confirm stir/shaken signature handling on their network. Test changes by calling multiple destinations including another mobile and a landline to verify display results. Try your SIM in a different phone to isolate handset problems from carrier issues. If necessary, open a formal ticket and ask for escalation to network operations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.